Welcome to this video. In this video we have a question, science paper 1, which is physics. Alright, so the question is actually very simple. It says figure B 6.1, which is not drawn to scale, shows a ray of light PQ, this PQ there, striking a mirror AB. The mirror AB and the mirror CD are at right angles, so that's why you can see that angle there. That's a 90-degree angle. And what else? QN is a normal, so QN is a normal, or even better. What is the value of the angle of incidence of ray PQ? So this ray PQ, what's the angle of incidence? What do we have to know about the angle of incidence? It is the angle formed between the normal and the incident ray. So the angle between the normal and the incident ray. So this is the angle that we need. Again, this one is called the normal because it's able to form a 90-degree angle there. So there's an angle of 90 degree there. So if this is 50, this must be 40. So the value is actually 40 degrees. Just say 90 degrees, you subtract 50 degrees, and there you're getting 40 degrees. Alright, next question. On figure B 6.1, continue the ray PQ to show the path it takes after refraction at both mirrors. Alright, so they are saying we need to draw. Okay, we need to continue this ray PQ up to that side. Right, so once it finds this, it will reflect at the same angle. Remember, reflection, the angle of incidence is equal to the angle of what? Refraction. So basically it will reflect at the same angle. So even as you are drawing, keep that in mind. So it will be straight to there, then it will bounce off the same way the other one did. Okay, so it will come like that. Yes, and same thing, this becomes our normal. Like that. The angle here, remember we said in under reflection, the angle of incidence and the angle of reflection, they're the same. So even this one here, it's 40, this one. And basically what we are forming is actually an equilateral triangle. Sorry, an isosceles triangle. Even this one is what? 40. Are we together? We must be together. Next. So, this angle here is still 50. And this one here is still 40. Because nothing. Okay? At the end of the day, we should be able to know that this is a straight line. So the angles in a straight line should always add up to what? 180. So this is 950. So 80 plus 50, we get 130. 130, so this is also 50. Which is actually true, because that will be 50, that will be 90, that will be 90, that will give you what? 180. So there, done. Next is, what is the value of angle of refraction at CD? CD is this line. The angle of refraction is the angle between the normal, which is this line here, and the reflected what? So reflected ray. So the angle is still 40. Angle is still 40. It is reflection, not refraction, by the way. What do you notice about the paths of PQ and the final reflected what ray? They are saying, what do you notice about this PQ and the final one that you've drawn? What can we see? Oh, what can we say about them? Well, the thing is, number one is that they are coming from different mirrors, and we can actually see that they are just parallel to one another. They are what? They are parallel to one another, because the mirrors have been put at a right angle. So you discover that they become parallel to one another. At the same time, they are also imaging at the same angle as the other line is entering at 40. It's also imaging at the same angle, 40. So in short, we are saying these are not so different. They are the same in such a way that they are only parallel, but they have the same angle of incidence. So they have the same angle of what? Refraction. So not, what do I keep saying? Refraction. Reflection. Thank you. So these are parallel to one another. They have the same angle of what? Reflection. Yes. That's something that we can see, because what is guiding us is that this mirror, A, B, and C, D, they have been put at right angles. This is very important. So that's why they are parallel to one another and they have the same angle of reflection. Now, there's a lot of stuff that can be done about reflection. You go through your notes and, well, prepare for more, because this is just one of the easiest question, and one of the, for others, it can be the toughest question that they can bring. But I know you are capable of doing it. What do you have to do? Get that book of yours, get the notes, study on reflection. A lot of stuff come there.